Attention viewer, you are watching the world's biggest monster truck diecast YouTube channel. This is Monster Jam OCD.
Well, welcome back everyone to another Monster Jam OCD review video. Today we're taking a look at another Hot Wheels Monster Truck set, and this is case K for 2020. There's not very many new trucks in this set. Actually, there's only 2 new trucks in this set, but one of them I actually got in a double pack, which I will be reviewing as a bonus in this video. But the only real big one of this set is actually Bigfoot 14, which, as you can see here, also known as the Charlie's Angels Bigfoot, is an amazing truck. It's probably my truck of the year for Hot Wheels of the main series. I think that Oscar Mayer is also one of my favorites, but this is awesome. I mean, there's no doubt in my mind that's probably one of the best ones they've released so far. So here is the Bigfoot 14. And as I mentioned, the other truck, which is the TMNT Leonardo, is in this double pack. So I figured I would just spend the money and get this because I need Raphael as well. And we'll take a look at both these trucks in this review. I'm also tossing in another review into this set because I figured it's not going to really be that popular on its own, which is the new Venomized Hulk, which we'll take a look at as well in this new double pack with Spider-Man. So we're getting a couple different reviews in this one just because case K is really small and limited with what's new and what's not new. So as you can see, we do have repeats of Demo Derby, Hot Wheels Racing #1, Donkey Kong, VW Drag Bus, Shark Creek, and the Roger Dodger. And like I mentioned, TMNT Leonardo is right here. So we'll start with these double packs. The first one I want to start with actually is the Spider-Man and Venomized Hulk, because I figure this is probably less popular than the other two. But here is Spider-Man, which we have received before many times, and also Iron Spider. And now we're getting a third Hulk, which we had the regular one, the Red Hulk from Target, and now this new Venomized version of Hulk. I am kind of disappointed that they didn't do Venom on Spider-Man instead of just a normal Spider-Man because they could have packed them together, but that's okay. Here's the back of the box. You can see the stats for Venomized Hulk is different than the normal Hulk, I should say. And you can see the card art here for Venomized Hulk is actually pretty awesome, the illustration. So there are the stats. The name is Venomized Hulk. The truck type is character. The strength is blackout. The crash attack is symbiote smash, and the motivation is to wrap heroes in darkness. And then Spider-Man is the same as usual. Again, the idea of Venom would have been much better than the idea of putting Spider-Man in here, but I know Spider-Man battles Venom, so it makes sense to kind of have that. But they could have also done Spider-Man versus Venom. That would have been an awesome double pack too. Maybe they just don't have the rights to do Venom. I know Marvel's kind of weird with that one. So here we go, the Venomized Hulk unboxing. And since we're not really needing to look at Spider-Man, I'm going to leave it in the box and not touch it. So here is the actual Venomized Hulk by itself. And as you can see, it has really awesome, if I can capture that on my camera, really awesome teeth in there. You can't really see it because of the 3D grill. Let me get a picture. Here we go. Right there. So that's what the teeth look like, or at least what they're supposed to look like. And then the front is the standard kind of the punching casting that they have, the hands in fist mode. So as you can see, it does have some white detail as usual. Venomized, or I think it's called symbiotes. They have white eyes and white detailing, and then we have, of course, the black detailing over Hulk's actual green skin. This is just a typical thing with the Venomized characters. And then we have the roof here with the Venom eyes. You can see they are right there. So they have the Venomized eyes going across the top. I'm not quite sure what this is, or on this side as well, these kind of little things. I'm not too sure what those are. So if you guys know, if you guys are Spider-Man fans or Venom, if you guys know what these little details are, let me know. But you can see there's a lot of cool little vein details and different things in this truck. And then it has a green windshield and back window. And then it has green taillights and black for the fenders, and this little gray plastic piece here for the steps and this back area here. And then it has nice purple beadlocks with black rims and then a black roll cage. And that's about it for the Venomized Hulk. So a nice little addition, kind of a random one. I'm not sure if Venomized Hulk is a real character in comics. I really don't know. So if you guys know any information on this, please let me know in the comments. So there is the Venomized version of Hulk. And next up, we have the TMNT 2-pack with the Raphael truck and Leonardo. These are the rebrand of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles of the past, obviously in Hot Wheels Monster Jam and for Monster Jam itself. There were 2 different trucks that ran as TMNT Turtles. There were supposed to be all 4 of them, but they did run Raphael and the Michelangelo truck, which was the orange mask Ninja Turtle. They did not run Leonardo and Donatello in real life, but they did make them into toy form in Hot Wheels Monster Jam. But now we have the rebrand of these again with Raphael and Leonardo first. Hopefully they will do a Michelangelo and Donatello 2-pack as well to complete the set. But these are the first two. Obviously, like I mentioned, this came in a singles pack with this Case K assortment, but I figured I would buy these two together instead of spend money on a singles pack and then have to get Raphael and get an extra Leonardo. So here they are, new for 2020, and as you can see here, the logo and Nickelodeon logo on the top, and then the back of the package is actually pretty cool. They made it special just for this set. You can see there is the Ninja Turtles on the bottom here with the green, and then here's the top part with the logo for Raphael and the logo for Leonardo, and the different stats for each truck. You can see for Raphael, we have the name is Raphael, the truck type is character, the strength is brawler, the crash tech is size strike, and the motivation is to be the first to mix it up. And then we have pizza, which is their favorite meal, of course. And then on this side, we have Leonardo, the truck type is character, the strength is driven to perfection, the crash tech is katana crush, and the motivation is to be the ultimate leader. So there it is, the awesome back of the card. It's actually really nice right here, what they did for it with the customized middle. So there is the back. You can see there's Venomized Hulk as well. And here's the truck. So let's unbox them, check them out. And you can see the bottom is also customized for the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles on there as well. So let's unbox it. And here they are, the two turtles, the red and the blue, Raphael and Leonardo. We'll start with Leonardo since it was in this actual mix. You can see it has a blue insert piece for the Ninja Turtle mask itself. We have the 2020 Viacom or Viacom, I can't remember which one it is, trademark, which is of course the owners of this trademark. And then we have some exhaust pipes here with these, this belt, or I think it's a belt on them. And then the roof here kind of has this weird, I'm not sure what these are, but they're there. This shell, of course, in green. We have the bottom of the shell in a nice brown or yellowish brown kind of color insert piece. And then we have the front. This is actually a plastic insert piece. It looks like it's metal, but it's plastic. And then the front here looks like a mouth, but it's got kind of a bumper. I'm not quite sure what that is either. I'm guessing that these are probably from their character cars castings. So they're always a little bit odd. I'm not quite sure what the little details are, but there is the front. It's actually a very good proportion truck. These are usually not good when they translate them over, but this is a very good instance of proportion scaling that's really good on this one. So there's that, and it has blue beadlocks and black rims with a black roll cage, and that's about it. So it's a really cool paint color, and that's the Leonardo truck. So there's that one, and then the same thing, no difference in paint color or shell color like they did with Hot Wheels Monster Jam, but it is the difference of the mask basically with this. It is Raphael with the red mask, almost a pink color, not fully red either. So there is the red, and I'm not sure if the windshield is, I can't tell if it's pink or not. Maybe it's just the mask, but it is blue. No, it is blue actually. I guess the windshield are also matching their paint or their mask color. So kind of looks like a blue windshield. This looks pink to me. It's kind of hard to tell with my lighting, but there it is. And then we have red beadlocks on a black rim as well for this truck. So there are the two turtles. There is also Venomized Hulk, the bonus review in this set. And now we have the main truck of this review I know everyone's waiting for, which is the Charlie's Angels, as it's called, Bigfoot, or also known as Bigfoot 14. This is the third Bigfoot out released this year for Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. We have had actually 4 different Bigfoots now. We have the original from 2019, as you can see, the original #1, really awesome. Then we had last year, which kind of bled into 2020 as well, which was the Racer Stripe version of Bigfoot from Target exclusive with Red Hulk and the Iron Spider, that whole thing that happened where everyone was really confused about it. There is the Stripes version of that Bigfoot. And then this year we started with the Tour Accurate Real Life Bigfoot, which runs on the circuit. And you can see it had grill printing, which was really awesome. So that was that one. Then we had a Target exclusive, as they call it, the Stars and Stripes Bigfoot right there with the chrome rims. And now we have my favorite of the Bigfoot series so far, which is the Charlie's Angels Bigfoot. And we will actually have one more Bigfoot this year, which is the 45th anniversary 1/64 scale in case L, the next case after this one. I believe also, to continue the Bigfoot conversation, we had one more Bigfoot design, which was 1/24 scale currently only, which was the Power Wheels Bigfoot. And I really hope they make that into 1/64 scale because I love the design. I will pick that up if I find it in 1/24 scale. So here it is, the Charlie's Angels Bigfoot. I can't wait to unbox it. Let's check it out. Also, here is the Stunt Storm number 8 of 10, and the back of the package are the same stats as a normal Bigfoot, actually, as you can see there. So here we go, the Charlie's Angels Bigfoot number 14, unboxing right now. And here it is, the Crush Car. As you can see, it is a green Crush Car van, and here is the logo. Number 65 of 75. We're almost done with Hot Wheels Monster Trucks for 2020. And let's take a look at it up close. As you can see, the paint color, as I've mentioned in my previous videos, and I will continue to do so, the paint color for Mattel trucks is always at the top of the line. It's kind of a night sky, midnight color with metal flake in it, a beautiful clear coat as well. And here is the graphics on the side here. Firestone Summit, we have Jazz, Monster Trucks, Hot Wheels logo. We have the flames on the hood here. And then, of course, they did do grill printing for this one as well. And then the headlights are also printed in. Pretty good matching as well. On the grill print, is I have to mention that. The grill print, they did a fine job matching up the little details in the grill. And then the back here, I actually really like the tailgate as well. Bigfoot Racing with the Hot Wheels logo. The flames could match just a little bit better. There's a bit of a tempo discrepancy there, but not too bad. This side's worse, but there's the tailgate wrap. So anyway, there it is, the Bigfoot with this nice paint color. And it reminds me a lot of the Stars and Stripes one I just showed you because the chassis and the rims are the same. The one thing I don't like about this one is that they didn't do the grill printing like they did for this and other previous ones. But anyway, that is the Bigfoot for this series, Bigfoot number 14. Hopefully they continue to do more in the future. I can't wait to see what else they come up with for Bigfoot. I also really want to see a Bigfoot ride truck. I know that they can do that now, but I really do want to see the Power Wheels Bigfoot on this 1/64 scale body next year, hopefully. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And please let me know what you guys think about this truck and the others in the comments below. And until next time, this is Runner Monster OCD signing out.